Hey, it's Tom. We've just finished our Wembley event and we did a whole hour on data-driven business change. So in a 4-hour event, that was quite a big dedicated amount of time. And we did that because we believe using data, using usage information, using performance information is the only way to scale Microsoft Teams rollouts. And we have bots and automation that lay over the data to proactively guide and nudge and cajole users into doing the right things. That might be governance and security, like naming conventions, files in the right teams, guests in public teams. We can ping messages to users to make sure they're doing the right thing there, but also usage information. So we've noticed you're using lots of private chat in Teams, but you're not using any collaboration. Maybe you consider joining Teams. So what Microsoft Graph gives us is all the usage data. We pull that into PowerBI, we make sense of it, and that is a feedback loop to make sure we're doing change management, adoption and usage, and getting the actual business goal of Teams, not just turning it on and moving away. So that for us is why data-driven is so important.